Hi friends, today we will discuss the importance of fats in our body. Fats give your body energy, protects your organs, supports cell growth, keeps cholesterol and blood pressure under control, and helps your body absorb vital nutrients. When you focus too much on cutting out all fat, you can actually deprive your body of what it needs most. So never think that fats are always bad. Some fats are good, some fats are of course bad. So we need to have a good check on this one. So either to have low fat or no fat or try more fat. Dietary fats are essential for maintaining good overall health, especially as you age. Your body needs a regular intake of fat, says Basanti Malik, a research scientist with the Department of Nutrition at Harvard's T.H. Chan School of Public Health. There are two types of dietary fats normally, saturated and unsaturated. Saturated fats, these are so-called bad fats. It is primarily found in animal products like beef, pork, and high-fat dairy products. Unsaturated fats, this is the healthy kind, and there are two types, monosaturated and polysaturated. Monosaturated fats are found in avocados, peanut butter, nuts like almonds, cashews, and seeds such as pumpkin, sesame, sunflower. And polysaturated fats include omega-3 fatty acids and omega-6 fatty acids. Polysaturated fats are found in plant-based oils like soybean, corn, and sunflower oils. And they are abundant in walnuts, flax seeds, sunflower seeds, and fish like salmon, mackerel, tuna. So these are good sources of polysaturated fats, which are very good for our health. The main health issue with dietary fats is how they influence the cholesterol levels. Consuming high amounts of saturated fat produces more LDL, that is bad cholesterol, which can form plaque in the arteries and increase your risk of cardiovascular disease and stroke. Many processed and fast foods made with saturated fat contain high amounts of calories, which can lead to weight gain and further raise your heart disease risk. In comparison, unsaturated fats help to raise HDL, that is good cholesterol level. HDL picks up excess LDL in the blood and moves it to the liver where it is broken down and discarded. So it has good effects. After all, another benefit of eating good fat and less bad fat, that this keeps the brain healthy, says Malik. It is suggested that it is easier to focus on quality and not quantity. Add more foods with mono and polysaturated fats to your diet and stay clear of those with saturated fats. Healthy fats are essential for good health. HDL, the high density lipoprotein known as good cholesterol, is desired at higher levels, which lowers risks of heart disease. Cholesterol is waxy substance which is found in your cells and serves various functions. It is carried through your bloodstream attached to proteins. These proteins are called lipoproteins. Unsaturated fats like animal fat, butter should be avoided, and unsaturated fats are available in fatty fish. Unsaturated fats should be avoided, which are mostly coming from animals. But fats which help in keeping our blood flow intact, that is good for health. So monosaturated and polysaturated fats are always good, but keep an eye to the saturated fats. Fats to live. like trans fats which increase LDL and lower HDL. Fats to live, just remember, like trans fats which increase LDL and lower HDL. Fats to love, like fish fat, avocado, which increase HDL, which is good fat. Fats to limit, like cheese, butter coming from animals. So keep in mind, all fats are not bad. Body requires HDL to remain healthy. Although saturated fats are bad, but people take saturated fats, take it in limited amount if it is unavoidable at some circumstances. Trans fats are more harmful fatty acids as they are not only increase HDL level but also decrease HDL level. Increase HDL level and decrease HDL level. That means increase bad fat and decrease good fat. So snacks like fried potato chips, sticks, cookies, pizzas, these should be controlled. Unsaturated fats are considered to be beneficial to health, of course, but that also you should keep limit when you feel that you are taking too much. Too much of everything is bad. These may be two types, monosaturated and polysaturated, as I have told. So, these monosaturated and polysaturated fats are good for health. Don't think that all the fats are bad always. So do not think all fats are our enemies. Rather, few are friends. So if you can understand their boil, it is better for you. Eat good fats and stay healthy. Wish you good health. Thank you.